So, hello Ma'am Jo. So, my name is Hennessy Alforque from grade 12 Margulis. And I'm here to summarize the interview and showing the pedigree chart creation process. This is the pedigree chart that I made, and this is for my mother's side. The second generation is the daughters of my grandmother. The first daughter who inherited it passed them to her two daughters. The second, which is my mother, passed the trait to me. So this further supports the dominant inheritance pattern of straight hair in our genes. Overall, the data suggests a clear dominant relationship with straight hair being the dominant trait.